Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You believe, said Jesus, have power? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, me think you should do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 8 from verse 5 to verse 13. When Jesus go Capernaum, one head for 100 soldier come to him, I look help. Lord, my servant there yard a lay down and can't move. So wicked pain, I lick him. Jesus said to him, say, me will come and make him get better. But the head soldier said, Lord, me not good enough for you come under my roof. But just say the word and my servant we get better. Cause me take order from them way over me too. And me have soldier where me control. Me tell that one ya, go there so, and he go. And one next one, come here, and he come. And me tell me servant, do this, and he will do it. Jesus' jaw drop when he hear this here. And he said to the people them where did I follow him say, let me tell you this, and I chew me attack. Me not find nobody in Israel with trust in me so. Hear me now? Whole heap of people from east and west I go come sit down eat big dinner with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob up at heaven in a God kingdom. But the one them we did for be part of God kingdom, God go throw them out, go one place where black like a midnight. That's so people are go bawl and a grind them teeth the way pain a wax them. Then Jesus say to the head soldier say, go on back to your yard. The same thing you believe say I go happen, and that I go happen. And the servant get better that said time there. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.